So I'm shaking down the bike this week to get ready for my long cross-country trip. Join me, won't you? So I got my motorcycle back from the dealer that did some factory recall repair and started sorting out my gear, and 90% of all the stuff that you see right here is going on this tiny little motorcycle. That's right. Most of this crap. I'm trying to pare a lot of it down. Some of it's not going to be going. And in addition, I've got to fold up this tent and this big chair that you see right there on the right. But for starters, got a compression sack for my sleeping bag, but it's going in the duffel bag. So the rest of my sleep systems are going in here. This is my tarp for my fancy big ass jungle hammock. And people think that there's a lot of bulk and weight savings on hammocks, but if you get a good one, it's really not a lot of savings as compared to a tent. Just no tent poles, and conceivably no stakes. I usually try to stake mine down, especially with the tarp. If I don't have good trees, I use a lot of stakes. And this is my underquilt that I am loving life, and it's allowing me to camp in lower temperatures. A lot of things you don't know about hammock camping in anything under 70 degrees is a little bit difficult. That's my ground pad, and I'll probably be using that in the tent. And all this sleep system here is going to go into this humongous side case on the right side. And I'm not sure why I figured out it's easier to do it all this way. But it seems like it's worked. I've done a couple of trips off of it, even though it's been probably a year since I've camped off of this motorcycle. But this thing is a beast, and I'm stuffing my wet weather gear in here. I've decided to go with a thinner off the motorcycle wet weather setup, just because I can stuff it in easily and I can use it when I'm not riding the motorcycle. And I'm not that worried about colder temperatures, except at altitude, which is one of the big reasons I'm taking some wet weather gear. Otherwise, I wouldn't worry too much about it. I don't mind getting wet, as long as it's not stinging rain, and my jacket and jeans will protect me from that. But it all fit, and then time to start stuffing the tool side. And I've decided, since I've got this cool retaining board here, that I can put the heavy, bulky stuff in here. That's my little camp knife, and it's kind of hard getting it all in there. But I've got a battery pack and my tool set and that trowel for my poop, and I'm just putting the big heavy stuff on this side for many reasons, but mostly the heavy stuff is going to sink to the bottom inside that board, and then I can put my solar panels on all in the outer portion of these cavernous side cases. And we haven't even gotten to the duffel bag. Duffel bag's going to keep the lighter, bulkier stuff, and it's going to go on the pillion right behind me, and also doubles as a backrest. And I'm pretty excited about getting started, so come on with me. So that's it for now. I'm going to be doing a shakedown run with all my gear. Probably just a short 5-hour trip down to Florida. Make sure everything works out. But I will be doing some updates, hopefully testing out some new camera equipment and some other things to document. Right now I'm recording on my new laptop, and so far I think I've figured this thing out. So hope to see you in the next video soon.